Okay, let's check the mystery package. Cracks. Cracked, which is flax. 75% more chips. 75% chip or 75% air, which is full of dot. I think I should have to open this package. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Last couple of packages I opened is very difficult to me. Oh red. Oh red is spices. Oh my god. Let's focus on testing. Let's test this chip. You can hear the crunch. You can hear the crunchy side. So let's listen. Okay, it's good, but not bad. I can say. You can taste it. You can try it. I can eat second time, but total I have dot. Okay, camera, focus on the chip. Focus on the chip. Chip. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Got it. Overall experience, not. It is normal. Okay.